Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is Fonio recipe. This is a must try recipe, very scrumptious. You will love every bit of it. So let's get started, but before then, do well to subscribe, like and share this video, leave a comment and click on the bell icon. So we are going to boil 1 cup of water. I will add salt to it, a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Okay, so this is the brand that I'm using, Fonio cereal. Very healthy. This, you can use it in your salad. It can replace rice, especially if you are trying to manage your weight and you want to stay away from rice. This is very good replacement. Do you get it? So I'm going to pour 1 cup of it and then add it to the boiling water on fire. Okay, so depending on how you want it, if you want it firm, then 1 cup water, 1 cup fonio is okay, equal portions. But if you want it a little bit flexible or soft, then you have to increase the quantity of water. It doesn't take long to cook at all. Just within 3 minutes it will be cooked, but I feel it is a bit more firm, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of water on it and then I'm going to cover for it to simmer for about 2 minutes. And this is okay, so I'm going to stir and then break it apart. Yes, if you don't do it that way, it's going to cake. Yes, so just break it apart and try and separate them. Then I will dish it and then set it aside while we start with our other ingredients. So you can add it to your salad, you can eat it like that, okay, or make it a stir fry like what you are going to do now. You can use it in porridge. So this is it. You are going to make use of carrot, bell pepper and cucumber, onions and spring onions. You're going to use cabbage and also eggs. You can use any protein of your choice. I just added a tablespoon of coconut oil. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't recording this parts, but I just whisked my eggs with some seasoning and then poured in, and I'm scrambling it. Then I'm going to pour and set it aside, and I'm going to pour a tablespoon of oil into the pan, add onions to it. Then I'm going to add carrot also to it because carrot is hard, so I'll let the carrot cook a little more before, or a bit before I'll add the rest of the vegetables. So I'm going to cover and give it time for it to cook. Do you get it? Please like and share this video, leave a comment, click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. So I just added my bell pepper and cucumber. I'm going to add my cabbage to it, add some seasoning to it, and I'm going to stir it. Then I'll add dark soy sauce to it because we are making it in a fried rice way. Do you get it? Yes. So a little bit of dark soy sauce to it. Yes. Fonio has a lot of health benefits. It helps in gut health, cardiovascular health, and all that. It is very high in fiber, so just a little can satisfy you. That is why it is good to use it for weight management. Do you get it? It's very filling. Okay, so we just checked on our vegetables. I'm going to add the fonio to it, and then we are going to break it apart and then stir everything together. Yes, please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Okay. And so I'm just adding the rest of the onions and the spring onions, sprinkling some black pepper, white pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning and also a little bit of salt. Just adjust all this to your preference, the quantity to your preference. I'm going to add the scrambled eggs to it. Yes, and then Stir it again, and I'm going to cover and let it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes, and that will be okay. You see. And so this is it. You can add chili pepper to it if you want. Yes, chili to it. Actual sense, I added chili to it was when I was eating it. Then I remembered, so this is how funny. I did not add chili, so I have to add chili to it before enjoying everything. So this is it. Very tasty. I really enjoy this. You can give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and bye bye.